Mike from Brenham has a question about hard water.
No small wonder, it's well water.
It's hard.
Mike writes, the water is very hard, and I'm thinking of changing from our existing water softener to one of those non-salt whole house water softeners. He wants your thoughts.
They don't work. Don't do it. The only way to get water soft is to remove the hardness. And the only way to do that, still proven technology, is water softeners. Now, there's some good ones and there's some not so good ones, I'll tell you that. So a good water softener is going to cost you $3,000 or more. You're not going to buy one off the shelf for $350 and handle your type of water, because that's all groundwater you're pulling up. It's not mixed with surface water. Mm-hmm. So,
and you have the Aquatex.
Well, yeah, the Aquatex is what I was going to get to. That I would call the people at Aquatex and take a look at the Kinetico line, but it needs to be balanced out properly. And so I would tell you, don't go with all the gimmicks and gadgets, because they don't work, and they still don't work, and they've been coming and going since the 70s. Most of them, people remember the magnets.
I was just going to say,
now you got some that plug in, so they're super magnets, but it doesn't do anything.
You know what's coming next is the mega magnets.
Mega magnets,
that's
yes.
It.
So water softener.
All right, salt.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah. I mean, if you here's what you do. Just Google how those things work. And once you understand how the salt works and the way they bond, the water bonds and what it does, you'll wonder why you would do it any other way. It's just simple. It's simple chemistry.
The National Water Association, we used to be able to call them the NWA, but we can't do that anymore because of a group that was out there. But the National Water Association has all of this stuff online, and you, be careful what you Google, but make sure it's National Water Association.
That's right.
Yeah, I got in a lot of trouble with that with my wife. She said, "What are you doing? How do you do that?" I said, "What? I don't know what I'm talking about." I'm sorry. Go ahead. I caught a bunch of stuff.
Wow, I can't believe that. Your wife would get mad at you? That's never happened to me.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Send us your questions so you don't get in trouble. We'll help you out. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com. You can see our other videos over here. And subscribe to our channel. It'll keep our wives happy.